works. What? Now the damn keyboard. Wow, I can fix anything with my hand.
Hey, my son, this isn't my son. Hey, Barlock's mom, can you hear me? Yes, coming, Barlock's dad.
This is your fault. Look, your son is become mad, you know? Yes, like you.
Huh? How you call me mad, huh? You're the mad
Like that. Don't talk to me like that.
Your fault. Your son is becoming mad for you. Yes, for you. It's your fault, not my fault, you bloody.
Why you call me bloody? You bloody son. Your bloody son. Yes, your son is the son of your son. No,
You're the mad one, you know? You're the mad one.
no, you can't. No. No.
You're a freaking bloody. Yes, you're a freaking bloody.
No, don't talk to me like.
Yes. You are a bloody. You're a bloody.
You think that's funny, huh? You think that's funny? No, that's not funny. That's not funny. Call your son.
Okay, wait. Call your son. Call your son.
Hey, mom, dad, what's up? Why you call me?
I'm gonna do a thing with my hand. Yes.
Oh, what will you do, huh? What will you do?
Huh? What are you gonna do, huh?
What the? No, it can't be. No.
Sorry, Dad. Sorry, Dad.
You're slapping me off.
Bandit foot.